Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Edmond Mindaros. And for today's quick tutorial guys, and I'm going to show you on how to resolve if you're coming across an issue on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer that reads, "We can't tell if your PC has enough space to continue installing Windows 11. Try restarting and setup." So this error can cause by some other factors such as faulty, corrupted Windows, hard drive is full, and too many programs running in the background. Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix, and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to run the disk cleanup. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin, all you have to do is open up on a search menu. And dito sa search for apps, so type mo lang dito yung disk cleanup. Ayan, and then i-click mo lang dito yung open. So dito sa disk cleanup drive selection, so select the drive you want to clean up. And then click mo lang yung arrow na yan, and then select lang natin dito yung C drive. And i-click mo lang dito yung OK. And dito sa ating disk cleanup, sa ating C drive, so files to delete. So select mo lang dito kung anong files yung gusto mong ma-remove mga kaibigan. Okay, so check mo lang yung box kung nakapag-select ka na, and then next step, makikita mo dito yung cleanup system files. So kailangan mo lang i-tap yan, and then next step, so select the drive you want to clean up, and then select lang natin tong C drive, and click mo lang dito yung OK. And wait natin na ma-complete yung deleting process. Alright, so after natin ma-process dito sa disk cleanup, and then cross lang natin yan, ang next solution na pwede natin gawin is to run the check disk. Kung paano ba natin gawin, all you have to do is to open up again on a search menu. And dito sa search for apps, so type mo lang dito yung CMD, or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt, and then kailangan mo lang mag-right click and select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and i-click mo lang dito yung yes. So once na-open mo na tong administrator command prompt, ay kailangan lang natin i-enter yung command keyword na chkey space, and then yung ating C drive, and then semicolon, space, slash, and then small f, and then space, slash, small r. Okay, so kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung command keyword na chkey space, C drive, semicolon, space, slash, f, slash, and then r. And then next step, press mo lang yung enter. Ayan. Alright, so once nakita mo na ito mga kaibigan, and then i-type mo lang dito yung letter Y. So type mo lang yung Y and press mo lang yung enter. Okay, so after dito, kailangan lang natin mag-restart. Okay, so close lang natin yan. At dito lang sa start menu, and then click mo lang dito yung restart. Alright, so after ka makapag-restart, and other solution na pwede natin gawin ulit is to try clean boot. Okay, so kung paano ba yan natin gawin, all you have to do is open up again on a search menu. And dito sa search for apps, so kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung system configurations. Ayan, so type mo lang yan. And then, i-click mo lang dito yung open. And then once na-open mo na itong system configuration, so dito lang sa taas, kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung services. And the next step, dito lang sa baba ay makikita mo dito yung hide all Microsoft services. So i-check mo lang yung box na yan. And then dito sa right side ay makikita mo dito yung disable all. So click mo lang yan. And then click mo lang dito yung OK. Alright, so after dito, and then kailangan ulit natin mag-restart. Okay, so dito sa start menu, and kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung restart. Alright, so ganoon lang po kasimple on how to fix "We can't tell if your PC has enough space to continue installing Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.